Hey, so I just wanted to make a quick video about this challenge review and refactor or improve attached GS code. Uh, let's just go to the requirements. We had to make necessary pattern changes in the calling code so it's safe to fire event even if the library is not loaded. We had to improve patterns to define new events and any other ideas to improve events, to improve code, sorry. So the thing I did was, the first thing is, always when we are calling our code we have to add this. So this basically checks if our library got loaded. Otherwise it doesn't call this code and it just goes on without any error. Let's just try this. So this is just index page calling the library where everything is okay. Now let's say we don't have that, library doesn't get loaded or something is wrong. We just get the normal get file error, but no other GS or any other errors. So that's for the first requirement. We can also try to change here, for example, if I don't know, Google would fail providing the analytics library. Again, we just get the get file problem, but no other errors. I will just set the debugging to true so we see that's true. Okay, so we can see the library still works although the Google Analytics actually didn't get loaded, so we get the wanted behavior. Even if the library getting fails, everything else still works. So let's just go for the second requirement. We can see this is the first firing of event is just standard as it was specified here in the challenge. So this and the other is I created a new method so we can add new event, and this new event has a name and it has a callback function, so we can specify our own callback function as it would be here. So basically we are returning the callback function on any other event name. We could also do that for other 4 events, but I just left it here for now because I wasn't sure if that's would be, I mean, it would be better probably to define previous events here, but if we want to add them on dynamically we can do that also. So I left that so we can see both ways here. So yeah, so we can see we are adding this new event and we are firing it here. So let's just check this. So okay, this is the event 2, the default one. We're getting this label with this. There's no value added, but then we are adding a new event. So we can see event 5. We are adding a function for that event and we are firing that event. So the category is the same because I just left everything else the same, but we have action 5 and label is what is up because this is the what the function returns. So we can actually add event and callback function for each of our custom events. So that's for the requirement 2. And the requirement 3, any other improvements, I don't like the variables in global namespace, so I created a namespace called GAQ, which contains all the methods and all the settings and parameters for the and Google Analytics object. So basically this is here, and in this library you just have to call this function to create a script tag, but everything is contained within the namespace. As we see, also we are calling the namespace always, so we don't get any global variables or functions. So that